Are you tired of amateur-looking videos and want to take your video quality to the next level? Artificial intelligence can help revolutionize your video production game. Here are some expert tips and tricks to make your videos more professional with AI. First, use AI-based video editing software to cut, trim and add beautiful transitions to your videos quickly and effortlessly. Cut Story and Adobe Premiere are fantastic tools to use for this. They use machine learning algorithms to auto-align scenes, stabilize footage, and resize videos. Second, you can use AI to enhance and color correct your footage. Programs such as ColorLab AI and Photolemur use deep learning technology to automatically adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your videos. You'll be amazed at how much better your videos will look. Third, don't forget to add captions to your videos. AI-based captioning software such as Caption Saver and Trim will transcribe your audio and generate text captions and subtitles. This makes your video more accessible to a broader audience and raises the production value of your content. Last but not least, utilize AI video analytics tools to monitor and track the performance of your content. By tracking your audience engagement, you can learn which aspects of your video audiences loved and adjust your future productions accordingly. With these best practices and AI-based tools, your videos can look and sound more polished and professional. So, why not give it a shot? Thanks for watching.